What's up? So today, I accidentally, well, it was kind of an accident, kind of just me being stupid, but I cleared my city, and so I'm just gonna make it live, and you guys can watch and suggest, like, how I should, redo it. Got, like, so the plan, I was gonna place a bunch of trees, and then I was gonna, like deforestation, like kind of tear them down and add buildings accordingly. And that's just because like it's kind of a pain to like put trees in between once you already have the whole city built. Just bear with me. It's some big brain logic. So right now I'm just kind of placing a bunch of trees around. Insert hello there sticker there. Yeah. If you guys want to join me, you can. Actually, what I'll do, I'll join the skilled scripters. I'll join the private server we have, and then you guys can join. It's pinned in Citytown. Just join that private server if you want to build with me. Yeah, if you guys want to find it, it's just be in the Discord server and then go to pinned and then join it. It's on the Citytown channel. You can join from there. Can you guys hear me fine? First one to like. Thanks for liking. Is this like... Let me... We're probably going to update today. That's the plan. Second like probably. Thanks for liking. Come join me. I don't want to be in a dead server. If you're able to. Like, hop in my server. We'll make some cities together. So what I did a big circle in the middle. You see right here. And then a medium circle that goes around. Like, you see that? And then I did, like, a even bigger circle. And then connected them all. Nice keyboard. Shut up, man. I can hear you very well. Nice. Whoa, what a city. Well, yeah, I'm gonna remove a bunch of trees eventually. This music is kind of obnoxious. Sorry, gamers. No. Nope. Nope. They always like copy strike that fade song. Okay, anyways, replacing a bunch of trees. This is the plan right now. And then nice connection of the roads. Thanks, dude. 6 viewers. Nice live. Dang. So I'm filling it up full of trees, and then I'm gonna like remove some whenever I place the buildings. But I think it's easier to just put trees and stuff down now. So, don't kill me, Sam, but I'm gonna leak something. We are adding a bunch of, like, flowers and stuff, like vegetation in the next update. So you guys can, like, really decorate your city, like, nice with nature and stuff. So I'm looking forward to that. Like, we finally got flowers. I know a lot of people have been saying that. Yeah, just like buy a bunch of these. And while I'm working, I'm probably gonna set up like a farm. Just let me place some of these. And then I'll make like a money farm like along this strip. Just so I can have like an income while I'm working on the inside of the city. Buy more green? Good Lord. Big Gucci store. Okay. Listen. It ain't much. But it's getting there. Trust me. So what I want to do is like poorer houses on the outside, and then nicer houses on the inside. Dude, somebody joined this server. Private server. It's pinned here. I'll show you. Look, it's sorry, Sam. Go to the Citytown channel, and then hit pins, and then join the VIP server pinned in the messages. If you guys need the server link, it's /skilled scripter, skilled games. Let me check. I'll put it in the chat. It's not easy being green. Why so many trees? Okay, I'm placing the trees down first, and then I'm gonna put the buildings. Here, I'll put the VIP server link in the chat. You guys can join. There we go. And then I'll just pin it. There we are. You guys can find it there. Give me money now. Sorry, I was reading DMs. Alright. We are... Alright, let's get back to working on this thing. So, we need some... Well, let's hold off on those. Trust me, I got a plan. Alright, shop. We're gonna buy a bunch of pine trees, oak trees, maybe some palm trees. We'll do some palm trees, like, to the side. I don't see many people use the palm trees. Anyways, yeah, there's that. Let's do some palm trees like on the outside. Just like along the line. Trust me, it's gonna look great. I'm awesome. Okay. And then just fill up this a little bit. And then we'll add buildings, trust me. Okay, so I want to do like a circus thing, like through here, and like put a roller coaster or something. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let's buy like all the circus crap that we would need. Oops. Anything else? Welcome back. Disconnected again. Alright, so I want to put like a roller coaster in the corner, maybe. You know, now that I think about it, maybe putting trees around wasn't the best idea. But it's okay. Oh, and lots of new subscribers, because that Albert guy, the Flamingo guy, he put me in one of his videos. Oh, I forgot about population. So if you're a new subscriber from that, welcome. Glad to have you here. Making a city in Blender, that's sick. Building. Alright, let's place some like apartments just along here, and then we'll like relocate them later. We just need like a I just had the funniest idea. What if I blocked off my entire city using apartments, like a big wall out of apartments? I'm gonna make I'm gonna do that. Just block off the entire city, just making a wall out of apartments. That'd be hilarious. The one that told me, oh, that I was in Albert's video. Yeah, that was so like, it was so weird to me. Like, let me find it. I'll show you guys like a clip of it real quick. So you guys know how I do like development streams and stuff. He was making a video and he was using an example of my work in his video. Like, a lot of you guys might remember this live stream. Yeah, he was doing that. Are you kidding me? Of course I get hit with an ad. Yeah, like,
see how they're making hats? See how they're putting these
that's like
drawings
me.
on the hats? The head of myself. Took away everything I once loved. My ears are gone.
Sorry about my dogs. Yeah, like,
Alright, so I'm gonna try to do what this guy's doing. Natalie Clabo.
this guy.
Natalie Clabo's doing real quick. I'm gonna make a shape in this 3D modeling software, and I'm gonna put my face on it. All right.
Anyways, yeah, like he was using my stuff in his video, which is kind of cool. Video made about how so it's really helpful. Thank you. No problem. Like, I make it so people can learn. So if you find it helpful, that's great. Make a car dealership and a community center and a library. Trying to learn Blender. I was actually thinking about switching to Blender like this stream instead of building a city. Like turn it into a development stream. Maybe I'll have to switch over in a little bit. I'm just gonna set up a farm real quick. The outside of my town. Buy a bunch of these. That way I can get money. Because you need businesses for making money. So if you don't have any businesses, then you're doing it wrong. Okay, now let's set up some our handy dandy Ferris wheels. Easy to make money off of them. I have a question for you. Ask away. What was your first reaction that you realized you can make and sell hats on Roblox? Like during RDC when they like the developer conference when they announced like user generated hats, like that was insane. Like I've been playing Roblox since like 2012, 2011, 10 even. Let me check actually. I'll tell you my first account. Yeah, I joined Roblox in 2010. So like it's come a long way since UGC, like since it was created and UGC being added. That's like a huge step for Roblox because usually their updates are kind of stupid. It's not really revolved around the community. So when they did that for developers, it was pretty awesome. How you guys like my city so far? Oh man. Alright, that's all I'm gonna do. And then we'll get started on the actual decoration and such. Let's just do like our modern stuff first. Think about doing them like right over here. Yeah, the tree thing was a bad idea, but it's okay. You live and learn. Alright, let's just do like that. That. Should I put them side by side? No. Let's do like a different one. A small one. Like that. Oh. That. And we'll do like a big one. Get rid of these trees. I realized the trees created a problem for me, but it's okay. Cool. We'll do like a whole little block for housing. And then like most houses, like we're adding hedges the next update, so I'll have to like come back and fix it. But like for richer houses, they like use nature to separate. Like they don't use fences. Well, most of them use like gated community like fences and stuff like that. But like some of them just do like that, if you know what I mean. No room there. Oh god. I act like I know what I'm talking about, but I really don't. Alright, let's get some of these bad boys. Been working on like some cool Halloween stuff for the game. I want to do like a nice Halloween update. And of course, if you want to see like spoilers and stuff like that, join the Discord server. Lots of leaks that Sam put on there for the update that we're probably going to get out today. So that'll be nice. Oh, for all you Flamingo fans, here, I'll show you something real quick. I did like a hat for his like character. Let me show you. Okay, you can see here. Let me insert the model. Earlier Roblox wasn't working, so I didn't get to show this, but I'll show you guys now. Go to here. I did his little character. Let me add the texture real quick. Oh. I actually recorded this. I might upload like a time lapse of me working on it. Ignore the bottom. I didn't texture the bottom, so that's why it looks strange. But I like attempted his character. Can I send you the Discord link? Sure. Let me grab that for you. Oops. Let me just. That looks cool. Nice. Here we are. I'm gonna put it in the chat for anybody who wants to join the skill games. There you are. Sorry, I'm sorry. Okay. But yeah, I made like a flamingo thing. I never finished the bottom. That's why the texture looks weird. And I didn't finish texture painting. So it's kind of like choppy, but the mesh is pretty good. It's supposed to be like his mascot thing. Roblox. Let me show you. I modeled it like loosely based off of like this. Oops. yeah, you can see his. I didn't finish the painting, that's why it looks weird, but yeah, anyways, that's that. Okay, back to the game. I'm gonna finish up like maybe a block or two, and then I'm gonna do some Blender stuff. Oh god. Okay, let's see here. I need some skyscrapers. I think I'll do them like over here. Oh no. Okay, never mind. Just like place like the taller buildings together is what I'm doing, I guess. My old city was cool. I regret clearing it. Hey, what's up? This look a little rough. Why don't you guys come join this server? Oh no. I can't call right now. Sorry, Bear. The invite isn't loading for the server. It's here. You could join that. How many nitro giveaways for a fake Gucci store? I will make you a fake Gucci store right now. $20 off from the game, something like that. The stream's delayed. Yeah, it should be a little bit delayed. Yeah, we're gonna probably do a fat update today or tomorrow. We'll see. Sam, he got bit by a fire ant, and his fingers like swollen around a ring. So he's kind of dealing with his fat finger right now. So blame fire ants for no update. My buildings compared to your 2 hot dog stands. Work on it. I should do a contest and give a prize to like a winner with the best city. That'd be cool. I'm gonna put down some factories. Let's just do like 3. Sure. I joined the Discord. Sweet. Yeah, you should all join the Discord. Let's just do a neighborhood right next to the factories. That's gotta be healthy. Good for the community. Toaster Boy, welcome. Yeah, if you guys ever want to like get in touch with me, that's your best bet. Check out the Discord server. Green. If you guys want to join my game, the invite link should be in the chat somewhere. Yeah, it's in the chat somewhere. You guys can find it. Sorry, I hate when it's nighttime. Thanks for subscribing, Galaxy Demon. That's sick. Yeah, I got like so many subscribers yesterday just from like Albert. It's really cool. Like I used to watch him when I was like younger, like in middle school. He did like Apocalypse Rising videos. I'd watched so many episodes of those. He played with a guy named Jake, I think. It's pretty cool. What's up, Sir Pogger? Yeah, so I'm just gonna make this whole area just like houses, like just beside each other, I guess. I don't know. I might hop out of this server and join like a public server. You remember the old Apocalypse Rising videos? Sorry, somebody's messaged me on Discord. Yeah, he was real cool when he used to do stuff like that. I mean, it's not terrible. Don't hate on my city. It's trying its best. Alright, so I think I'm gonna hop out of this private server and join a public server. Let me finish placing these real quick. So many red houses. We can like randomize it in a second. Let's hop in a public server. Yeah, we need to update. After this, I'll make your Gucci store. I want to hop in like a server that has like OP people. Or at least decent people. Dang, I just joined the same server twice in a row. Let's try this one. There we are. That works. Level 101. Dang, look at their city. They just got a bunch of Ferris wheels. Jesus. I mean, I guess we're doing the same thing. Did we start that roller coaster area and never finish? Of course, of course. Let's do a gas station. Need a few of those in the city. I was thinking about for if you're in the Discord server for Halloween, we could do like a Halloween themed like contest for your city. Whoever has the best one, I'll like we'll vote or something. Choose the best one. Have a competition. It'd be fun. Need some street lights, but I don't feel like placing all those right now. Let's see here. Should we work on these houses? Yeah. Oops. Hit the wrong one, but that's okay. Okay, Nitro prize. I bet. Alright, the winner to the Halloween contest gets a Nitro gift. Discord Nitro. Yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah, that would be cool. Halloween themed contest. Because I got like a bunch of Halloween stuff. Had a little Halloween predicament. I was working on Like I want to do some decoration for your houses. You know, you want to decorate your city all nice and Halloween. So I thought, what screams Halloween more than a ghost, right? So I get started on Blender and I'm working on it, and I make this super sick looking ghost, right? And just as I'm like getting ready to add it to the game, it hits me. This ghost looks like a KKK member. Like I'm talking straight up, it looks like it's wearing a KKK outfit. So, needless to say, I scratched that idea and I restarted the ghost concept. Um, but that was just a little predicament I ran into 3D modeling a ghost. Um, I'm glad it hit me before it hit like anybody else, or like we actually put it out in the game, because I can only imagine the memes that would you guys would make out of that. If this fits, oh, so unsatisfying. No, like seriously, I could show you guys right now. Like, here, let me open up Studio and I'll show you guys the failed ghost. Can I make a tomato ketchup packet? What do you mean? Cool Kids Club, yeah, 100%. Oh man, 9 people watching. That's pretty cool. All right, let me open up the thing and I'll show you guys like the ghost, the failed ghost. Would you guys prefer seeing game development right now versus building a city? Let me know. But let me show you guys the failed ghost. Oh, did I delete it? No. Wait, I could probably access the mesh still. Let me go to toolbox, group meshes, skill games, spider. No. Oh, here it is. You guys cannot make jokes out of this. Okay, here, check this out. Look, listen, I had good intentions, right? It just happened to look like something else. So, needless to say, we're not putting that one in the game. We're putting another one. I'll show you guys that one real quick. Shut up, Ramsey. Oh, hang on. Here's the ghost I ended up using. This one's a little more appropriate, friendly than don't make memes out of this. Like, I really don't even want to hear it. Like, I understand the design flaw and I fixed it. This is like the you versus a person she tells you not to worry about. But yeah, that's my failed ghost attempt. Let me know if you guys want to see like more development stuff. I don't really want to. Let me hide all the Halloween stuff, and then we could do some development stuff. Let me just put all this. I'm gonna make a big. Let me hide all the Halloween stuff, and then we can. I'll show you some. How do I move it into Studio from Blender? I'll show you how to do that in just one moment. Let me put all this Halloween stuff away to where you guys can't see it on the stream, because I don't want to leak the Halloween stuff just yet. I'm putting them in a box. Okay, I hid everything. It's in a box, protected. Yeah. So now we got. Okay. I'll just work over here. We'll work over here. I'll show you guys how to get stuff from Blender into. Sorry, I'm leaving this game real quick. Get everything from Blender into. What's up? Hi. Hi. I'm not a dude either. I'm a girl, by the way. I'll show you guys how to get everything from Blender into your Roblox thing. Sorry, I just remembered that I might have accidentally deleted Blender earlier. Oh, let me double check. Do I have? I don't want to use 2.8. No, I don't want to use 2.8. Let's get Alright, please hold while we download Blender. I have some stuff I need to get. Oops, sorry. Just gonna get. Oh no, okay. I'm gonna. Thanks for the cars. I'll check those out and then we can like probably add them to the game. Ramsey. Gotta wait for Blender to install. I actually had to free up space on my computer for Wizard 101. Can you believe it? Let me rename this. 2.8. I don't use 2.8 that much. I have an idea for Halloween update. If you guys have any ideas for the game, like feel free to share 100%. 1, 10, 30. Instead of money, it would be called candy. Oh yeah. Like a trick-or-treating thing would be kind of cool. Yeah, just hold while I install Blender. Almost done. Like 1 minute left. What's up, Bear? Can I give you a link to the Skilled Scripters group? Do you want the Roblox group or the Discord? The Roblox group, it'll be right here. And then the Discord's gonna be right there. Can I get a link to the Discord? Yeah. There you are. Sorry for the wait. We got like 32 seconds left and then we'll install Blender real quick. No problem. I could do prizes for the contest if you want. Nitro. Oh, you gonna link the prizes? Okay. I'm gonna take a break soon because I need to eat. But right now I'm just gonna get Blender up and working. $25 Roblox gift card, sorry. I feel like that should be first place. That's kind of cool. What is Nitro Games? Oh, okay. Wait, that's Discord Nitro. So I have some I'll be right back. I have like a peanut butter sandwich. Yeah, like the Uncrustable thing. You know, you gotta set them out. I gotta set that out real quick, cause I'm gonna be eating that. Okay. Anyways, 2 minutes left. What? Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Okay. Oh, you want food? Yeah, I've been real hungry. I've been like sitting here thinking about it. Okay, let's see here. 25 seconds. Come on, Blender. Counting on you. Using 2.79, that's what I use too. For the Halloween event, you get a prize. The name tag comes with it. The name tag. Put orange, yellow color bats around it. Pretty cool. Okay, Blender, let's go. Sorry guys, I didn't know I uninstalled it. Trying to try out some new games and I ended up like deleting some old stuff. Does anybody here 3D model? Made my one Roblox hat today. That's nice. I'll show you guys like an absolute beginner's method to like 3D modeling. Right, let me show you the quickest way to make a hat in Blender. I'll make it in like 30 seconds. Create, circle. You can lower or raise the subdivisions if you'd like. Go into edit mode, hit F to fill, E to extrude. Move that up or down as much as you'd like. Go to tools and you're going to insert faces. You can also hit I. Hit E to extrude, and then you can extrude again. And boom, there you have yourself a top hat. Yep. That's simple. You want to make it less blocky, you can set the shading UVs to smooth. Now you got a smooth top hat. You can make it as tall or as short as you want. You can even, I don't know, make it flare out. Do whatever you want. But that's literally the quickest way to make a hat in Blender. Make a top hat, it took you an hour, and I just made one in 20 seconds. I made a pretty cool top hat. It took me a while. It's on my Twitter. Right here. I was doing like a Mad Hatter concept. That's what I came up with. I never actually painted it or textured it, but alright, what are we making today? Make this in Blender? Why? I want to be like productive and make something like let's go through suggestions. Like a designer store. I've seen a lot of people asking for designer stores. G-Wagon. Gucci store. There's some most requested. If you want a suggestion, or if you have a suggestion for what we should make, go ahead and drop it in the suggestions channel in the Discord server. What other games do I play? I don't really play games on Roblox that much. I play Citytown. I play all the games that we make, like Pinata Simulator, Case Clicker, obviously. I like Apocalypse Rising. I like Arsenal. That's a good one. See here. Assassin's a good one. Hex is a really good one. That's a classic. Yeah, that's just some of the games that I play. My favorite, all-time favorite Roblox game is Apocalypse Rising. What games do you guys play? We have missions planned. 100% planned. Post suggestions only in this channel. Hi, I'm Gabe. Let's go. Okay. Hi YouTube, I'm Gabe. That's funny. Okay. We'll make a designer store. We already have a basketball court in Citytown actually. I'll show you it real quick. Basketball court right here. You see? Pretty simple. We got some like stadium bleachers, stuff like that too. I think we'll just make the designer store. I don't even know how I'll do this. Let's do like most designer stores, they're like connected to bigger buildings, you know what I mean? Or like a fashion store, I guess. Help me find a good reference. We could do like that. Like this building. I'm just kind of eating right now. I'm sorry I'm not doing much, guys. When I'm not eating, we'll do like actual designs and stuff. That's really cool. Fake Gucci store, that's what we're making. Obama's campaign promises. How to make hair in Blender? I actually did that Um, I did that on one of my streams. You can check that out. It's on my channel. Alright, we'll make this building. I'm almost done eating. SimCity. I've heard about it. A lot of people compare our game to that, but I haven't actually played SimCity. I just don't even know how I would make this like fake Gucci store look. You know what I mean? Oh well. Okay, I'm done eating. Okay, let's get started. Getting started now. Alright, let's just do this. Let's just go. Let's go building. Like, look at this. Like, do you guys want something like this? Like a new complex? The problem is I don't want to put the sign in the game. Like the Gucci sign. I can't put that because copyright. So it's literally just gonna be like a designer store. I could do something like this. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's get started. I'm gonna get started on something either way. So we're gonna insert a cube. We're gonna go into edit mode and we're just gonna hit S and scale it up and then move this face down. Do you guys want me to make some commentary on it while I'm doing it, or do you guys just want me to shut up and do it? Call it a Gucci store. Gucci store. I'm like, no. You guys are fools. Okay. You can specify the increment you want to increase it by. On Blender, just hit E and then hit the number. Extrude and then the number is what you're doing. We got like another thing going on back here. Should be fine. Here, I'll turn on a matte cap. You guys can see better. Let's just do this one and I'll turn on ambient occlusion so you guys can see better. Actually, we'll just do the basic one, that one. Just like that. Should be fine. Okay. Alright, that'll be fine. So many Discord messages. Name it Gucci. Gucci, no. Okay. this goes back a little bit, up a little bit, and then it has a roof. Let's do that. We're gonna loop cut just right here. So that means it goes back a little bit. We're gonna extrude it, and then it comes out right here. Let's actually extrude it like, yeah. And then do the same for the sides. Extrude it 6. See, you kind of got like where it goes back. Oh, it stays straight right here. Let's just do this. E6. Just like that. Yeah. So we could do like a little balcony thing or a sign right here. We got window. And then we got to do this side over here. It goes back even more. So we're going to have to loop cut again. By the way, this is like kind of... Let's make the whole thing like wider. Yeah, that works. And then we're going to have to not subdivide, loop cut. Just like there. And extrude it by 6 over here as well. And then here. Now I want to give it like a, you see how we have the line that separates it right here? I want to do that to the top. So we're just going to loop cut. Let's see, how am I going to do this? It's not letting me do the whole thing. That's disappointing. Then I just won't bother with it for now. Maybe I will. You see we created that like ring thing around the top. You can change the speed of your camera by using the scroll wheel on your mouse if you have one. Alright, that should be fine. Overpriced store? I'll just call it a designer store. Gucci store. Oh man, that's funny. Do you guys hear the music? Well. Okay. Just do this. Should be good. Alright. Now what I'm gonna do is do like a little ring around the bottom of it. So let's just hit E and then click and then hit S and just make it a little bit bigger. And then you see it creates that. Or you could do it this way. Just select, you can alt right click to loop select, hit E and S to scale it out. I actually kind of prefer it without. Let's do it around these poles only. Yeah. go to object mode. This is what the store's looking like so far. Looking pretty good. We're gonna do some windows right here, a door, entrance, windows, and then like a sign. How to make a car in Studio. I can make cars, I just struggle a little bit on them. I don't know why. Then we'll have to do something about the sides too. Let's loop cut through here. And then we'll just insert like a window here and here, like this. Hit E and then -1. So now we have a window there. Let's check out what this is. And then you gotta flip these normals. Fine. And then let's do the same thing here. Just hit E, -1. And that'll just insert a face for us. And then let's flip that direction. There we are. Looking pretty good so far. What do you guys think? I'll switch to object mode. Turn on a better matte cap. You guys can see better. That's like the geometry. I know there's like golden ones. We'll change all that good stuff. Anyways, let's get back to work. Hello there, I'm back. Welcome back to the stream. We're working on a designer store. That's all you've missed out on. Okay. How are we gonna do this door? Should we do stuff that comes out like that? Oh man, okay. Look at that Gucci sword, that's just a terrible one. A lot of Gucci stores are inside of malls. Okay. Just looking at references real quick, get an idea of what I'm gonna do. I just feel like there we are. We're gonna have to do something like this. Alright, let's get to work. Now change the title of the stream. Okay. One moment, please. Okay. Should be good now. Am I gonna import to Roblox when I'm done? Yes, I am. Okay, I updated the name. Would I like to test the virus? No, sorry. Okay, back to work. So I'm gonna put a window thing here. Let's extrude this by 1. Let's extrude this by 1. Let's see it where else. Okay. Good. Then we could do like here. 1. Let's check it out. What it's looking like so far. Alright, and let's just make a door. You have to loop cut twice. One here. And one here. You can alt right click. Actually, I only had to loop cut once, I'm just slow. Okay, let's do just once. Like that. Now we're gonna select this phase, hit insert faces, and we're gonna insert like 0.1. So just type press I, 0.1. Right. I feel like that frame's too tall, so let's just hit S and then Z, and you can scale it along the Z axis and just scale it down a little bit. Now of course this is awfully flat. If we switch to object mode, it's just going to look like a cube, so let's give it some dimension. These cuts that we just made, let's insert some doors. Just hit E, and then you're going to extrude -0.1, sorry. And if you go to object mode, you see it has some shape to it now. If you want to, you can add some handles. Go to object mode, go to create a cube. For handles, I just do like a small skinny cube, just like this. And then you can position it like right here. Then make it smaller. I don't even know if I want handles for this, but yeah, we'll put it anyways. Shift D to duplicate. Be fine. And just select the handles and select the door. And press Ctrl J, and that'll join it together into one mesh. If your origin is off-centered like this, you see the thing you move it is way down here and the object's right here. Just hit Ctrl Shift Alt C and then hit origin to geometry. and now it's centered properly. Now at this point I usually color things, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give the door some color. Obviously we're gonna have to make it bigger. Just move it down, and then I usually make sure it's kind of lined up with the bottom right here. You guys can see what it's kind of looking like so far. We're gonna select all. Press A to select all. Go to hit U and then hit Smart UV Project. And now if we go to a UV image editor, we see that it projected our mesh onto what will be an image once we import the image. So let's just do that. What's the app? This is Blender. Just hit S to scale down, and then you can drag it to a color. If we go to texture, you see the color. And we're just gonna drag this to like a light color, just like that. While we're at it, we should probably go ahead and color our building as well. Okay, and let's just make the inside of our building white. Just like that. Alright, this is what it's kind of looking like so far. What are your guys' thoughts on it? Hi, Albert friend. Sorry about that.
Burn it down. Burn it down.
Okay.
Burn it down. Burn it down. I killed it. It's murder. I killed it. It's murder. I killed it. It's murder. I killed it. It's murder.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
Sorry about that. My dogs. Just gonna finish up coloring this. And then we're going to make some windows. You can alt right click to select all in a loop. Just make this like a gray, maybe. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, we need a window. Create a cube, go into edit mode, select the space, scale it in. move this one down, this one in, insert faces. Madison, we're thinking about like this thing, maybe a family pass again, like talking.
Turn toward me, look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for us too cold in the tide. And underneath the rose-eye tree, we'll see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toe,
What to put a sign? Why does it say Jesus? Oh, okay, so I bought an asset pack, and the asset pack has a color palette. Colors you map the meshes onto. So like for example, you saw how I colored this building. It takes the same concept and applies that to this image. Except when I uploaded it to Roblox, I got in trouble because I didn't realize that the image was inappropriate. It said like strip club right here, and it said drugstore, and it said like this was like a hooker poster. I didn't realize that, so I got warned for that. So I made it PG, Jesus Club, not strip club. Okay, now I want to do like a sign in gold up here, and then I want to do like some I'll show you. Go to create cube. All right, just go to edit mode, select the face. We're gonna hit extrude, and then we're gonna extrude by 1. Extrude by 2, and I'm just gonna keep going a couple times. E2 inner, E2 inner. pretty good. Just gonna select all these faces, drag them out, and then select all these edges and drag them up. So now you see we have like what you see in front of stores. Okay, should be good. We're gonna smart UV project. Open the image. And just scale it down. You see it live over here. Watch the viewport over here. Wherever I drag the colors over here, it will project onto here. So if I drag it to the pink right here, you see it makes this pink. If I drag it to the green, it'll be green, and so on. So that's how you color things. So we're just gonna make this black and white stripes. Start with the black, and then we'll go to faces, and we'll alt right click and just bring it to a white. Just like that. And then we're just gonna scale it down. We're gonna put it right there. If you want to make it wider, just hit S and then Y. Looks pretty good. You can duplicate it, do another one, or do what I'm gonna do. Just rotate it and then put one on the side over here. You see? This is the channel that Albert got that tutorial from. Yeah, it is. You guys can see we have the building. And then I'll do the sign. Let's just do without. That'll be our store for today. Control J to join everything. And we'll export it to Roblox. So what you need to do, select everything, hit A, go to File, and hit Export, and then go to Wavefront or .obj. Give it a title right here. So we'll call it Store. Hit Export. And now we should be able to import it into Roblox. So here's how you get it in Roblox. You'll left click, right click, sorry. Go to insert object and insert a mesh part. And so it'll insert a part. It'll look like this for you guys. Go to right here under the properties tab and then just go find that store. Right here, hit open. This mesh contains locational data. It doesn't matter, you can hit yes or no. I just hit no. And you can see our store in Roblox. For me, the texture automatically applied, but if it doesn't, all you have to do is hit it and then go to texture ID and then open up that texture. I I usually use a NPC for size reference and make the store larger. That should be good. And that's about how I would do it. Do you have a video on how to apply a texture to an object? Do you mean like how to get that set up? I can show you real quickly. Alright, let me, here, I'll just reopen Blender for you. Yeah, I'll show you how. In Blender. Oh, I opened 2.8. I meant to open 0.79. There we are. So you would start with something like this, right? And I can teach you all day long how it works, but let me explain it for you real quick so you'll have a better understanding of it. If you take a cube and you map it out, have you ever done those things in middle school where your teacher, they take the paper and you gotta fold it into a cube? It's essentially the same concept on Blender. You're taking each of these faces, the parts of the cube, so like this is a face, this is a face, and this is a face, and you're unwrapping it, so you're taking it apart, and then when you take it apart, you apply it to a texture, and that's how you map the texture onto the cube. So let me explain how you do that real quick. So you go into edit mode, and you see you can go right here and select the face, and you see I can select each face. So if I want to color it, and you can apply anything to it, so let's just say here, let's go to like, let's just like apply this to it like a dice. Save it. Right? So let's start with the basic cube, right? And we're gonna apply a dice texture to it. So we're gonna go into edit mode, we're gonna hit U, and we're gonna go to unwrap. So go down here and open up a viewport and change the editor to UV image editor, and you'll see these are the faces of the cube. Now a better way to unwrap it, hit U and smart UV project, and you can see each part of the cube. You can use whatever unwrap method you prefer. Just hit U, smart UV project. And now we're going to open up that image that we just downloaded. The dice right here. Where did I save that? Oh, right here. Alright, so if we go to viewport shading and we switch to texture, you see it's kind of applying itself here, but we're gonna have to fix that. So let's just select this. Let's say we want this to be the middle. Alright, so we're gonna have to hit G to grab it and just move it where we need it to be. You see over here, and it fixed itself. So we want this one to be the top, right above the middle. We're just gonna hit G, and we're gonna scale this down to fit the image. Just like that. This is gonna be the side, obviously, so it's gonna be right here. G to grab, and S to scale. You can also use R to rotate if you need to. Just like that. Of course, we got this side, needs fixed. That's gonna be right here. And then we need to fix this one as well. It's going to be the 4. And then we'll do the bottom. You guys can practice, do the exact same thing I just did, and just get comfortable with the controls. So there we go. We just made a cube. A dice cube. Even for the heck of it, we can go into edit mode. We can add a modifier and we can bevel the edges to make it kind of round like a cube would be. Hit apply. Switch out of that and then hit apply. And then you can edit accordingly. If you're not okay with the sizes, like right here, just box select. anyways, you can remove that modifier. But that's how you would apply a texture. I understand. What would you do for like a complex model? You would still need to UV unwrap. And then like to set up, like if you're like texture painting or even just adding material. So you would switch your render engine to Cycles Render, and then you would need to open up a UV image editor and then a node editor. You're gonna hit new, and then you're gonna need a material, and then just give that material a name. I'm gonna call it texture. Get rid of that one. So switch right here to texture. You're gonna go to add texture, image texture. Just hit that, and then we're gonna make a new image texture. And then we're gonna link the color like that. So now if we go to texture, and then we unwrap this, hit U to unwrap the texture. So we switch this over here. There we go. Just change the image right here, and now you're good to go for texture painting. Just switch to texture paint, and you can paint it however you want. That's how you would set up like painting for like a hand painted like complex type thing. You can also use the node editor to change like the shading. Let's see here. You can add, like, if you want to add a shader, you can. All you have to do is like link it to wherever it needs to be linked. Just grab these, and like if you want to add that to the color, just use the node editor for that. You'd have to look into nodes and stuff like that and understand it, or else you'll just be completely confused on whatever I'm talking about right now. You can link those up wherever you need to. But anyways, that's how you set up like texture painting. A good tutorial on that, you can type in Blender texture paint, and then there's a good one by a guy, his name's Grant Abbott. Check him out, he's pretty good. If you have a video on the node editor, check out yeah, Grant Abbott. Here, I'll link it real quick. Here we are.
Watch the
Alright, so I think that storefront, this is all it's gonna work on for now. Unless you guys have any last minute requests.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanity.
Yeah, that should be everything.
I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything.
Can I quickly check my Discord? I'll probably regret this.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe.
Sushi store, yeah, of course. Alright, well, if you guys watch the stream, make sure to check it out. I might do another one later. That might be a gameplay one. I don't plan on... Yes, I do stream every day. Zombie. I try to teach Blender every day, or play games, or, you know, just whatever. But if you guys watch, thanks for watching. I'm gonna be streaming later today as well, once the update drops. But yeah, that's it for now. Do I have a Discord server for myself? Yes, I do. But I also have one for the game. Here's my personal one. I'll get an invite link for you guys. You guys can join my server and chat with me directly. There you are. New fan art. Oh, that's sick. Thank you for that. Okay. Well, yeah, that should be all for now. If you guys want to ask me any questions, you have my Discord server. You can chat with me there. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.